In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a content widget onto your WordPress site in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're revamping your website or starting fresh, this quick and easy guide will help you seamlessly add content that truly enhances your site's functionality and appearance. So, grab a cup of coffee, take a seat, and let's dive into it. First things first, we need to head over to wordpress.com. This is the hub where all the magic happens for WordPress users. Once you've got the website open, the next step is logging into your account. At the top right corner, there's a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, for many of you, convenience is key, so WordPress offers the option to log in using your Google account. Click on Continue with Google, and you'll be prompted to choose which of your Google accounts you'd like to use for access. Select your account by clicking on it, and you should be logged in without a hitch. Once you're logged in, look over to the right panel where you'll find the Quick Link section. Here you'll see an Edit Site option. Give that a click. It's your gateway to customizing your website and making it truly yours. With your editor open and ready, we want to add a new block. At the top left of your screen, you'll spot an Add button. This is where you can insert various types of blocks into your web pages, from text to media and everything in between. Click on Add and you'll see a search bar where you can discover all sorts of content blocks. Type in content into this search bar. This will filter the options down to content specific blocks, making it easier for you to find the exact block you need without getting lost in all the possibilities WordPress has to offer. After typing content, you should see a suitable option appear in the list below. When you see content pop up, go ahead and click on it, and there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added a content widget to your WordPress site. It's as simple as that. Remember, adding content widgets can hugely impact the way your visitors interact with your site, offering them more dynamic and engaging experiences. This not only helps in presenting information effectively, but also keeps your audience coming back for more. And that wraps up our quick tutorial for today. With these simple steps, you're all set to add any content you need. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy blogging.